What is up, guys? I am back with another video. This time we're going to a Porsche event, but we're gonna film all the cool Porsches. So first we got a GTS Cayman, which I love these things. I don't know what year it is. Ooh.
Pink one.
Pink one?
Yeah.
Sorry, it's more like purple, but yeah. Oh, look at this thing. Oh, there's so many of them. I don't know where to look. Oh, prayer.
Hi. It's been a while.
So we got a Spider. These things are sweet.
I love this green.
I love this part right here. Yeah, this one.
Rims.
But the Spider is one of the car I would get one day. Look at the pedals. No, not that one over there. But this one's sweet. Recaro. Red Bull, good choice.
He was contemplating bringing.
No, I was talking about this thing. It's a GT3. I think it's GT3. It's what they had at the car show, or the Twin Cities. Yeah, that's right. GT3. The one that I'm gonna drive one day. Oh, it's manual. Alcantara steering wheel. And a ton. Let's just hop in and get it.
Huh?
So I just hop in and. Yeah. Ooh, that's a cool color. I love that Miami blue. And GT3. A new one. Yeah, get out of here. Look at the rims though. 13. Sort of, but they were like, after they got rid of the ugly headlights like over there, then they did this, but I like this one.
Amazing.
Oh, it's a LS.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, I just swapped LS. So. Yeah, that's cool. Interesting. I like it still. I still like it.
Sorry.
See, this is what I would take. Yeah. But like, look at this thing.
Like you said, drive it, get a clean.
Classic Carrera.
Minivan. Yeah, so it's
Over there. Oh, look at it. Oh, man.
28. Beautiful. Good job, buddy. June 22nd.
Sorry. This yours?
Yeah.
How long did it take you to put on the kit?
It was about a year-long process.
Really?
Yeah. I didn't do it. I had a different guy do the body work.
Oh, okay.
It's been hard.
We got a Turbo S. What year is this?
17.
Oh, 17. Gotcha. You started up? What? You started up? Sweet. Let me get this. Okay. Thank you. Appreciate it.
I like the stripe.
I do too. This is Cayman? Or, yeah. See, this is the blue I like. I thought it was leaking, but. So another turbo. I don't know. That's kind of. So this is a turbo. I could get one of these for the price. I could get like
right now,
this.
if you look at
And that's a turbo. This does it, but I don't want a turbo.
But but that's the market today. So this is probably about a $70,000 car.
But this one, I just can't get over the turbos in these things. They look so nice. But the turbos ruined my...
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Is that okay if I film the inside?
Oh, sure.
Sweet.
I'll take my water. The son will take my water out.
I don't mean to be a bother, but...
Oh,
just...
no bother. That's why we're here, you know?
right, I hope so.
Yeah. Come around. You can sit in if you like.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
It's a manual.
Oh, no way. That's so cool. What's that?
Both doors open.
Nice. I mean, I don't know if I would get a manual first, but, you know, I still love these things.
They're both fun. The
Yeah.
manual and the PDK.
Yeah, that's the only reason why.
Yeah. Oh, man. What is it like having a boyfriend that's a partner?
Consumes our free time.
Wow.
I understand.
It's always something new though. It's exciting.
Yeah, and the people are pretty nice.
Yes.
This is cool.
Is it just Porsches that you guys like, or do you like all exotic cars?
Ferrari's the most.
Oh yeah, those are
Yeah.
fun too.
No, I going to get a Ferrari in the future after a 911.
Cool.
But yeah, that's
Yeah,
I'm trying
both. Get both.
I'm trying to work at Ferrari. So
great.
I'm in
Fantastic.
I'm in school as a technician.
Oh, fantastic.
Now this is a turbo. Yeah, this one is fast. Dude, this thing even go fast. I'll stop. Yeah, I do. It's not big yet. That's right. Yep, smells new. See, this is, I think, the GT2 RS. I'm convinced but oh no, not the GTR. Lily, it's not. GT2 RSs don't have center exhaust. Only GT3s. What? Yeah. Well, they have the Porsche up there. This is GT3. It is. I don't know why everyone's leaving when we're coming.
It's supposed to rain.
Yeah, GT.
Would you want your Porsche stuck in the
No.
Yeah.
This is cool though. It's like Chad's car, except without the wings. My teacher. I like the Golf delivery. It's a Cayman. Wow, that kind of tricked me, to be honest. This is not bad. See, I want to do something like this to mine. Is this a turbo again? It is a turbo. The GT3, see, they stole my idea. Yeah, right. But I like this, to be honest. No, the Golf idea. Great idea. Great idea. It doesn't have the blue, but that was at the Porsche. That was at the Porsche. Remember we saw that at the Porsche? Why is that up? Yeah.
The water bottle out of the shot.
Kind of like this. GT4. Oh, it's the older one. It doesn't have those manual. Oh, nice. It's nice specs. Is it yours? Assuming? Can I film the inside of it?
Yeah, absolutely.
Sweet. Thank you. I'm just doing it for my YouTube channel. Oh, thank you. Wow. This is my favorite interior. Is it 2016 to 2013? 15. 15, okay. I knew it was in that range.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm trying to get a 911 space, but
Yeah.
2013 to 16 because of the natural aspirated.
Yeah.
Did you spec it? Okay. Oh, it was a nice spec though.
It is actually.
This is yours? Is it? Is that okay if I film the inside of it? Sweet.
That's a leading question to ask me that.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Ask me and go, what day is it? Oh, this is my Saturday car.
That would be
My
nice.
Sunday car is a different color.
Oh wow, it has the blue interior. I've never seen that yet in person.
Oh wow.
Yeah. It's very subtle, which I like. I love the blue with the silver. Sweet. Thank you. Appreciate it. Going well. Turbo. Another turbo. These aren't the fast ones, but I like this. Oh, I love the turbos. This one looks nice. Oh. I love your shirt. Thank you. So we just found Sally from Cars.
Just put eyelash on.
She's got the tattoo now. Oh, it has a collector's plate? Yeah. That looks nice though. Alright. The Dodge. So this is a roof. I just got a LaFerrari, but no way. And this is what they did. Okay, so that is it for the Porsche event. Thanks for guys for watching. More videos will come. It was really cool. I totally want one of these things now, a 911. Totally will get one in the future. Absolutely, but at least we got a Ferrari, a LaFerrari. So, you know, that's a start. So, thanks for watching.